Hey everyone, if you're a salaried professional wondering how you can turn your paycheck into real wealth, this video is for you. Today we're going to discuss the steps you can take to grow wealth from your salary and make the transition from just getting by to living wealthy. So let's dive in. The first thing to understand is that wealth building is as much about your mindset as it is about the numbers in your bank account.
Success is a mindset.
When you're paid a salary, it's easy to fall into the trap of thinking, this is all I have, so I just need to budget what I earn. But the wealthy think differently. They think about leveraging their income to create more streams of money. Here are a few mindset shifts you need to make. Don't just work for money. Make your money work for you. Focus on long-term wealth, not short-term gains. View your salary as a tool, not a limitation. Wealth doesn't just happen, it's planned.
Has an advisor ever asked you what your financial goals are?
Start by setting clear, measurable financial goals. What does financial freedom mean to you? Is it about retiring early, owning multiple properties, or starting your own business? Set goals like saving some percent of your salary every month, investing some amount per year in stocks or real estate, building an emergency fund of some number of months' worth of living expenses. Having these concrete goals will give you a clear path to follow. This principle is a game changer. When you receive your salary, the first thing you should do is put aside money for your savings and investments before paying any bills or expenses.
Nobody pay it.
Automating this process, like setting up automatic transfers to your investment or savings accounts, will help you stay consistent. The rule of thumb is to save at least 20% of your income, but the more, the better. Saving money is great, but if you want to grow wealthy, you have to invest.
I want investment.
Relying solely on your salary won't make you wealthy. Investing will. Here are 3 simple ways to start. 1. Stock market. Start investing in index funds or ETFs. They offer diversified exposure to the market with relatively low risk. 2. Real estate. Investing in real estate can provide both cash flow and long-term appreciation. 3. Business ventures. Whether it's a side hustle or investing in a startup, creating additional streams of income is crucial. The goal is to make your money grow, and these investments help you do that over time. One of the biggest wealth killers is lifestyle inflation.
So control yourself.
The more we earn, the more we tend to spend on things we don't really need. Fight the temptation to upgrade your lifestyle every time you get a raise. Instead, maintain your current lifestyle and invest that extra money. Over time, this discipline will pay off in a big way. The wealthy don't just rely on one stream of income. They have multiple streams, and many of them are passive.
It's passive income, minimal risk.
This could be anything from dividend-paying stocks, rental income, or even digital products. Focus on creating at least one passive income stream alongside your salary. Over time, this additional income can replace your salary altogether. Finally, the journey from salaried to wealthy requires continuous learning.
Just keep watching and learning, Padawan.
Financial markets, investment opportunities, and even personal finance strategies are always evolving. Stay informed, keep learning new skills, and surround yourself with people who share the same financial goals. And there you have it, the key steps to grow your wealth from your salary.
That's all.
That's all.
Remember, wealth building is a journey, and it starts with small, consistent actions today. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more financial tips. What strategies are you using to build wealth? Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, keep investing in yourself and take control of your financial future.